Alright, good morning all the beautiful people out there. Today this video is a little different where I'm going to unbox some of the makeup products that I ordered from Nykaa, and we're going to see what these products are. I'm really excited to share with you guys the pigmentation and how that product really looks like. So I'm just going to unbox it and see what are the things that have actually come. So this is the first box that I am unboxing, and this has this is the makeup fixer with aloe vera and vitamin E from Swiss Beauty, and it says it's a long-lasting product. So I'm going to kind of just open it up. See, the fragrance of the product really seems to be very good, and this is how the product looks like. And I'm going to kind of just spray it and see if the consistency is not really like water. Let's see. Right now it seems as if I've sprayed water on my face. We'll get to see in a few minutes once it kind of just settles down, because makeup products takes a little time to settle down. So this is one product that I unboxed. Then the other box I'm going to open and see what's in there that I've ordered. So this is how I'm going to kind of just unbox it and see what's in there. Okay, so there's something more coming out of this box, which is, whoa, so this is finally the beauty blender that I've heard a lot from a few YouTubers regarding the quality, and I'm going to open it and share with you guys. Oh wow, this seems to be pretty nice, but maybe once I use it I'll be able to tell you how does this really blend. So this is one beauty sponge. This came for just 199 rupees from Calabar, and people really talk a lot about it. So maybe I'm going to make another video where I'm going to use these products and tell you how good it is and how well it kind of really blends. Because till date I'm only using the original beauty blender, which kind of gives an airbrushed kind of a seamless finish. So let's see which is the other product that I ordered here from Nykaa. This is the third box that I'm unboxing, and this has a few more products. Okay, so wow, this is amazing. This is what I've been waiting for, and okay. So here I've got, of course, you guys would have already seen my videos. I love using this, inside primer. So I've kind of just stock these primers so that, whenever my one which exists finishes, I have one ready in stock. So this is the long-lasting oil-free primer from Inside. So I've got this one. I've got Miss Claire's dark brown eyebrow pencil. So I think that's the one that I used today. That this is a new one, and I really don't know when was the last time I used this one. So this is another one. I'm going to make a video. Probably my next video will be on all the products that I've unboxed today, how to use them. So this is the eyebrow pencil in dark brown shade from Miss Claire. I love it. I was eagerly waiting for it because, as you've seen in my last video, the eyebrows that I made was almost about to finish, and it kind of really took long to get this one. Oh wow, and these are the most beautiful stuff that I was literally waiting for. It's a Bella Vasta matte lip crayons. This one is in the shade Rockabye, I guess. Let me just check if it's written here. No, I think they haven't mentioned the name. It's shade number 3 in this. I'm going to kind of just open it and show you the swatches. How does this color really looks. So I'm going to, and this is another one that I've ordered, kind of a nude shade. It's shade number 14. So let's see how does the swatches of these shades come like. And as I said, probably we will be using it in my next tutorial to show how do these shades really look like. So I'm going to swatch these on my hands. This seems to be more like a red color, and this one is a bright pink. So if you see, these are the swatches of this color. This is shade number 3 is this one, and this one is, I guess, red high heels. This one is shade number 14. So shade number 14 is this one, and shade number, I guess, I really hope this really comes out to be beautiful. Probably let's try this one. I'm using the red high heels now on this. Wow, I would say this is really beautiful. Shade number 14 is really beautiful. It comes out really amazing on the lips, really nice and bright, though I've just used kind of a 1 to 2 swipe of this color, but it's really come beautiful, bright and nice. And the texture is kind of quite creamy and good enough, doesn't really makes you feel dry. So I think I really love this shade, and let's wait for the next tutorial where I'm going to use this shade number 03. So these are the two shades. Once again, I really love this shade red high heels, which I applied right now, and this one we will apply in the next video. So stay tuned, share, like and subscribe, and we'll meet up in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.